Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working with the shift method on arrays. So I'm going to create my first example, and the shift method here removes the first element of the array. So this is going to be example 1. Let's just in fact, I think we can increase the font size on this a little bit. So change font there. Let's just increase it a little bit for you. 25, why not? Okay, so I'm going to create an array. So this is going to be called my array 1. Let's create the array and populate it with, let's say, animals, dogs, rats, cats, fish, etc. Okay, so that's the array. I'm going to create another scalar here called my first element. I'm going to assign that to shift here, and then that's going to be array 1. Okay, so now we're going to print first. We're going to do the scalar first element. New line character. Okay. And then I'm going to print remaining elements. Okay, so that's going to be array 1 and a new line there. Okay, so let's just call this example 1. Let's just save it and run it. Okay, so the first element here was dogs, and the remaining elements were rats, cats, and fish. Okay, let's go on to another example. Call it example 2, just to be a bit more clearer. So in example 2 we're going to use numbers. So we'll create an array of numbers here, and I'm going to create it using QW quoted words. So I'm just going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There you go. And I'm going to use while here. While I'm going to create a scalar variable called number. It's assigned to shift. Numbers. And we're going to print the first number again. Oops, let me just tidy that up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to print first number. It's going to be scalar number. Okay, let's just save that, run the program. Okay, first number 10, first number 20, first number 30, first number 40. Sorry, we should have done down here print left numbers. On the array. Okay, let's run that. There we go. Left numbers. There's no left numbers. Okay. So we looped through the array, number one by one, until the array was empty there. So the next one I'm going to do is, I'll simply call it example 3. So example 3. Okay, I'm going to create another array called cities. Again, I'm going to use QW quoted words here. So it saves a little bit of time as well. Don't need to put them in quotes or anything like that. Just give them a little space between each element. Okay, so that's my cities. Again, I'm going to go through them using a while loop here. So while my scalar city, this is going to be the iterator here. I'm going to assign it to shift and the array. So scalar city, I'm going to assign it to UC uppercase, scalar city, and we're going to print out some info for the user. It's going to be uppercase city is, and last one here, print cities are. Okay. New line character there. Let's just save it and run it. Okay, so we've changed the cities to uppercase and we've looped through all of them until we've got to the end. Cities are. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button now. Thank you very much for doing that. Thank you very much to my viewers and everything that have come along on this journey with me. I hope these code snippets are helpful to you, and what I would suggest is that you kind of play around with these and break them as well. Make sure you break them and then see if you can repair them, see if you can modify them, and that way you will learn a lot more. Anyway, I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.